Welcome to the assembly video of the F2- toy. Box includes main body, backrest, steering, 2 AA batteries. Take the main body and before connecting the steering, firstly insert the horn connector through the hole from the underside. Align the steering with the steering rod. Ensure both holes are perfectly aligned before inserting and fixing the nut and bolt. Insert the bolt and nut into the steering hole and tighten it securely. Open the seat using a screwdriver. Open the cell cover using a screwdriver. Insert the 2 AA batteries properly according to the battery instructions. Close the cell cap and fix the seat back with screw. Now insert the backrest and fix it with screws. Now flip the body and connect the light wires. Now the F2 ride on it ready for your baby to use.